Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to fix the battery drain issue on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, first of all, just disable any unnecessary connections on your smartphone. Now to do that, just swipe down from the top of your smartphone and open the control center. Now from here, just disable any unnecessary connections on your smartphone. For example, if you're using Wi-Fi on your smartphone, just disable the mobile data on your smartphone. Now, if you're not using the Bluetooth on your smartphone, just disable the Bluetooth on your smartphone. Now, the same goes with the NFC on your smartphone and the location services on your smartphone. Just like that. Now, once you have done that, now just go to your home screen. Now just swipe up and open the app drawer on your smartphone. Now from here, just delete any bloatware on your smartphone. Just like that. Now once you have done that, now just go to your home screen and open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on display. Now from here, just make sure you enable dark mode on your smartphone. Now from here, just enable this toggle to enable the adaptive brightness on your smartphone. Just like that. And once you enable this feature, it will automatically adjust the brightness of the screen of your smartphone based on your environment. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on motion smoothness. Now instead of high, just select standard. From here, just tap on apply. Now just go back. Now from here, just tap on battery. Now from here, just enable power saving. Now once you do that, just tap on background usage limits. Now just tap on sleeping apps. Now from here, just tap on the plus icon over here. Now from here, just select the apps which you don't want to run in the background. Just like that. And once you select the apps which you don't want to run in the background, just tap on add. Now once you do that, just go back. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on location. From here, just tap on location services. Now just scroll down. From here, just disable Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. Just like that. And this is how you can fix the battery drain issue on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.